eastern Arkansas, northeastern Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas, west central Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located near Lake Frierson State Park, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Golf ball size hail was reported with this storm 11 miles southwest of Paragould. Hazard, tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
This one had a
Damage
tornado
is likely.
emergency on it in
Locations
northeast
affected
Arkansas.
include Jonesboro, Bonell, Lake City, Lepanto, Bay, Brookland, Monette, Caraway, Crowley's Ridge State Park, Lake Frierson State Park, Walcott, Etala, Black Oak, Three-Way, Hergit, West Ridge, Lenny, Vale, Big Lake, and Gunpoint. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Craighead, Greene, Mississippi, and Poinsett. The current time